Don't go anywhere. I need just a few minutes to tell you what the Rare Craftsman channel is gonna look like from now on, and why is it changing. I've done the research. YouTube is evolving fast, and getting the videos in front of the right people is tougher than ever. So I went straight to the source, you, and I've asked what you're interested in. And honestly, the results surprised even me. The channel was born from woodworking, and that's not going away. There will be new woodworking videos coming soon, but remember, we're not cooking with fresh ingredients here. We're all about reusing, repurposing, and giving materials a second life. This is something new, growing, and simply impossible to ignore. 3D printers and lasers are CNC machines, and if you want to keep up with modern workshop tech, they're worth having on your radar. You'll see me using 3D prints as prototypes, final products, and even elements in mixed media projects. I hate throwing things away, so I'm always looking for ways to breathe new life into old tech, turning laptops into retro gaming machines or transforming tablets into handheld consoles. That's my jam. Just keep in mind, I'm no engineer, so it's always a bit of trial and error adventure. With all that said, I hope that I convinced you to check out my channel. Watch some of the videos and maybe even subscribe. Have an amazing day, and I hope to see you in my next project.